In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom the screen on a laptop and desktop. Whether you're trying to get a closer look at small text or need to zoom out to see more of the big picture, these simple steps will help you do just that. Zooming in and out on your screen can be incredibly handy, especially when you need a quick adjustment without any hassle. To get started, let's talk about a quick and common way to adjust your screen view using your keyboard and mouse. First, you'll need to hold down the Control key, which is conveniently labeled as Control on most keyboards. If you look on the bottom left or bottom right side of your keyboard, that's where you'll find it. Once you've got the Control key down, here's where your trusty mouse comes into play. By scrolling your mouse wheel up, you'll zoom in, bringing everything on your screen into sharper, larger focus. Conversely, if you scroll the mouse wheel down, you'll zoom out, allowing you to see more of your window but with smaller details. Now, what if you don't have a mouse? Not to worry, you can also zoom using just your keyboard. Pressing the Control key in combination with the plus key will zoom in, making everything larger. Alternatively, to zoom out, you press the Control key and the minus key. This handy shortcut is a lifesaver, especially for laptop users or anyone working without a mouse. If, at any point, you find that you've zoomed in or out too much and want to return to the default setting, there's another simple trick for that. Just press the Control key and the number 0. This instantly resets your zoom level to the default view, no matter how much you've adjusted it. Sometimes, though, you may want to use a magnifier tool to zoom in on the entire screen rather than just your web browser or specific applications. For those using Windows, there's a built-in feature for this. You can activate the full screen magnifier by pressing the Windows key along with the plus key. This function is excellent for when you need to enlarge everything visible on your desktop and navigate detailed documents or small text more easily. Using these straightforward techniques, you can adjust your view to see exactly what you need with ease and flexibility. Whether you choose to use the mouse and keyboard combination or rely solely on your keyboard shortcuts, these tools are here to help you enhance your viewing experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with more useful tech tutorials.